So, as you saw the video title, I got a new bike, and it's a jump bike, and I have a new little workbench, my other bike, and I'm going to give you a tour. Alright, so, my new bike. So, for tires, we have Kendas, no clue what kind, all I know is that they're Kendas. And for rims, they look cool, also have no clue. And for this side, it's the same thing. For shocks, I think it says Circus on it. I don't know what brand that is. Grips, Bell grips, probably gonna change them, I don't know. Brakes, Shimano. Bars, I don't really know. This thing, don't know. Seems like it says Spike. And frame, it's something specialized, but I don't know what it is. And now for my shock. So for this thing, I have my 12-volt drill. I have a 12-volt other drill. They're both kind of different. And I have some wrenches and ratchet thingies. I have a Sharpie. I have some bits, and you can read those if you want. But underneath, I have a shelf for my helmet, which is replaced by my hat, and my biking shoes, which are replaced by my slides, which I wore out here. And over here, I have a bike rack that me and my dad made, and you can just put a bike on. But you can't put that bike on because the seat is too short for putting it in between here. So yeah. So for this bike, it's a Sombrio bobsled, 27.5. So for wheels, I'm running Kendas. I don't know what brand. Kenda El Capos. For rims, I'm running Torn Cat, Caribou Co. No clue what those are. Same on the front. For shocks, I don't know. I can't really read the font. For grips, I'm running, I don't know. It used to say Pro right there, but I don't know what. I think that's the brand. For bars, I'm running Sombrio bars, I think. For seat, no clue. For gears, I also have no clue. So that's really all.